Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. It's a 2001 Chevy Cavalier, and I've had quite a few people ask about how to check the transmission fluid. Well, first of all, you gotta level the vehicle. I'm on a lift, so it makes it a little bit easier, but if you're at home, you have to jack it up and make sure it's level. On the bottom side of the engine, okay, here's the oil drain plug. And right here is how you check it, okay? It's a 7/16 nut, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna unscrew it and you're gonna watch. If fluid comes out like that, your transmission is full, okay? There is no dipstick on an 01 Chevy Cavalier. So to service it, what you'll do is you take off the transmission pan, you go up with a new filter, and fill it. You go from the top side, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. And you take this out here, and this will be out. And as you fill it till it just trickles out of here. When it does, it's full. To fill it, you're going to remove the air intake hose. And right down here is the filler cap. Take it off and you fill it right through that hole.